Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody. Today I think we could talk about something else, because on euro currencies you can see market still is forming the shape of the pullback. So nothing really new is going on the euro currency market. Mostly stands in the same area. The old stuff that we have discussed recently is still valid, and we're still watching for a pullback. Maybe we'll get some directional patterns on the fall time frame chart, so we'll see. Currently we could, for example, take a look at the Great British pound. Here we also do not have something really superb, because in recent week probably, or even a bit longer, so you can see that markets do not show really very significant performance, especially in the recent few sessions, and not a lot of trading setups we've got on the major currencies. So for example, on the Great British pound, what we have downside ABCD pattern is forming. This market is forming wide downside channel, and OP target is yet to be reached, so it stands around 133 area. Also, it creates the agreement with the major, or let's call it as important, so maybe not major, but take a look that this is important FIB level. So here potentially we could get some setups for taking the long position on cable a bit later, once this level will be reached. But this is longer perspective, so we're not interested with it currently. Meantime, so this is just important to understand that right below the market we have uncompleted major target where market is aimed to. So actually it works like the magnet, so market will gravitate to important OP. And also this is lower border of the channel, by the way. On the lower time frames, at the same time, market is coming to resistance, or better to say, it's almost stand right at the major resistance. And that's what we have actually. So after the local ABCD, here's minor XOP has been reached. This market shows the clear shape of the ABCD pullback. Right above the market currently stands, or market even lightly has touched already the lower border, but OP here hasn't been reached yet. So it stands approximately 35.20. And here's market could show another move up. So this is confidence resistance, ABCD agreement. So this is nice resistance area. And potentially it could trigger the pullback. So since we have the target below these lows, theoretically it might be not just the normal or minimal pullback according to the Gartley's cheaper to sell pattern, right, that we have currently. So as you know, it usually shows the at least 30% retracement. But with the target below this area, it might be just the bearish continuation pattern. So market could shows the complete the ABCD retracement and start dropping. So by the way, here it seems that we have approximately the harmonic equal action. Almost the same, so not quite, but very similar. So that's the level to keep an eye on. Additionally, I just forget to say, on the daily chart, take a look. MACD is crossing right here. So today, if downward action will start by this triple to sell pattern, we could get here the bearish grabber, which will be just great because it could confirm give more confidence the market indeed intends to drop below these lows. So these few moments to keep an eye on the cable. Finally, on the hourly chart, we have something that looks like the butterfly that could finalize this ABCD pattern. 127 is where market is calling right now, but taking into consideration the more or less thrusting action, relatively strong action, so it's probably will reach the 161 station at the same time. So 35.20, by the way. So if you plot here the ABCD pattern that we have on the fall time frame chart, you will see that this kind of the butterfly could finalize this upward action, almost pips to pips. So the one problem here with this butterfly, that actually this top stands few pips above this one. So for the butterfly it should be below, but well, it's not really very important currently in this moment. So you could treat it not as a butterfly, but just using the extensions, additional resistance to the market. So that's the short-term stop that we have. Whether this will lead to a significant drop right to the 33 area, we will see. But in general, even for intraday performance, it has nice potential, and risk of this trading is very small because you will need to place stop just slightly above this confidence area. So you do not need to hide it too far. Because if we are correct on this suggestion in the possible pullback, it should start from the confidence. If market will not do this, start climbing higher, it means that stop mostly fell, and it probably will be a strong upward reaction. So it makes no sense to place too far stops. So that's our view on the cable. Let's see what will happen, and hopefully maybe maybe tomorrow we will see some progress on euro currency as well.